chat feelings. You chat people every day and live on them. So if Shady chat you with him, should he supposed to chat you? You afraid of chattings? You're hurt. You're hurt about it. You're hurt about it. Because guess what? Tell people them why you're really vexed with Shay. Shebada, tell the people them why you're really vexed with Shay. Remember when she there at Jamaica, you asked her to show you where Jaden live? And she show you one house. She never show you where him live because remember you didn't want to go there. Tell the people them no. You asked her to show you where Jaden live that you can, and she never show you. She show you one wrong house. So you have her up, and remember you have her up over Roseto. Because what? She did come down for wedding and them never invite you. Remember say Jaden, I don't know what with him, but him and mad you. Shebada, the shit show where you have over there. You talk about Shay this and Shay deserve this and the internet this, Shay and the internet this, that, Shay. Tell the people them say, some of the things them when you talk over there is who tell you, or you run with it. If Shay is such a bad person, and Shay is this and Shay is that, the things that when you chat by your program, some of the time when you chat about Akeem, Rose, this, that, is who you get it from and you chat about it. It's not Shay. It's not Shay. Tell your source to tell you. Huh?
And I have proof.
Tell the people them. Because you coming like say,
I have proof.
Me and my blood clot. So what if me annoying and me chat too much? Me supposed to chat because remember, me can't chat more than you because you chat people and you live on people. Me a chat for once, Maddy. But you a chat for the whole entire internet. Every day depend on somebody else. Remember that. Remember that. Every day depend on people named Shebada. You come, you class Shay. I don't care if you want to class me. Because you don't know blood clot nothing about me. As when me say, a Shady need for no say, you cannot trust a piranha in a batty rider. A she need for blood clot no. Because she down there. And you claim say, she have her at your foot. And I know you don't blood clot talk to her and tell her nothing. But you want me to come on internet. For come please your ego and stroke it. For come tell Shay, oh, you must stop. You must this, you must that. You're not going to get that. You're not going to hear that. When me ready for talk to Shay, me talk to her in silence. I don't care what you want to say. I don't care who wants to say me a VB or VP or in a throat. I don't give a fuck. Because these people don't know anything about me. Me and you are for day in our relationship for a while. For me, evil, go down by you. Everybody when me talk to and it's not much. Everybody when me ever been with know that and it's not much. Because me not do carelessness. So when every minute you come and you come and you come. If Shay want to chat me with the people, then she supposed to chat me. Or you hurt. You see me and walk up and down on the internet. Nobody don't like you on the internet, but yet still you chat the people them every blood clot there. I don't see the deter you from chat, Shebada. The people them don't like you on the internet, and that deter you from chat. So why it go deter me from chat? Answer now. The people them where you live on every blood clot there, it don't deter you from calling them name and chat them. So why the fuck me a talk about my woman? It burn you so. You come, you're ready for call her germs. You're ready for class and say, you're going to talk about the situation. I know you don't blood clot talk about the situation, Shebada.
Hold on. Them same just a troll. Rascal.
Well, a troll. A troll. So not troll me over here, a troll. Rascal.
Hey, me I tell you, so the internet no level of blood clot, you know.
A troll. Then a troll
hey,
for
the
troll.
internet no level.
A troll too.
Delete the internet no
so
level.
So anything when me say out of my mouth, a troll if I saw. A troll. Any who, let me get back to my trolling. Yes. You come, 19, the backup, the this. Me always have a talk. I don't give a fuck if the people them like me. I don't care if they want to rate me. You see me come over here and say, chat, me know I share like, but beg on some likes. You never hear me a beg likes yet?
Him never this Shay. Black she. Black her.
You never hear
so,
me when
hold on, wait baby.
Remember you see me over there, so I listen for me.
Wait, no, me say something to you. So good, girl. You remember the first time
I just you never address him.
I just become never address him.
From the last argument.
You remember the last argument? Go suck your mother and come off from my life.
Oh, you mean never this Shay?
Lick out your mother, girl.
Oh, you mean never this Shay and still a this Shay?
What the fuck you mean?
Oh, you mean never this Shay?
Remember, say me never look pan him and the whole of no come in the comments, but I know she can't answer Shebada, she afraid. The whole of no go lick out to the mother and come off from my life.
What the fuck can I say? I troll where I troll anything we say. Since I troll him, I troll where I troll too. What the fuck can I mean?
When people talk, them I troll. If with me talk, a problem. What the fuck? Me
But
a troll
everybody
too.
talk,
Everybody a troll, me a troll too.
I troll where I
come
troll.
the whole of we troll together.
Girl, where you want to see me for?
Make you all of we troll, we a troll.
You know you see me every day?
Make you all of we just troll and done. A troll the whole of we a troll.
I troll where I troll. What you mean? If me want to chat too much, at least me a chat too much for she. You a chat too much for the whole entire internet. Where you play a name and that me a ask. Living on people, yard and abroad, and that it name? You say you're intelligent and it take one nickel boy when not even reach 25 to manipulate you where you could have think that Shay would have chat you. Remember when Batty Plug over there, Lady Gaga, when him over there, Rajisha, when Shay the on the shit show over there with you, she would even chat him. With when you bring him up, she would even chat him. So I don't know all you for think say Shay will have chat you. But what? You're going to your feelings.
But listen now, simple. Me just say it yesterday. Anybody here say me chat to no chat me back.
Simple.
Why not care? What do all not care feelings? Because the Batman tell you say me chat to no. Chat me back. Una go beat me? Chat me back.
What the fuck gonna come
What
out?
the fuck do all no feelings for them? Tell you say me chat to no. Chat me back.
I'm supposed to chat too much. Me I chat for Shay.
Simple as that.
Me not chat for nobody else.
What the fuck could not get in on the
talk about the
feelings?
people them not talking to me. Shebada, you there on the group call them? Shebada, where you on the phone calls? Shebada, when Shay sit down right us in front of on up on the live. And then they on my phone and stress me out. I wish one of the Queenie them did that talk to. The one over England or the one of Europe. Queenie over England know them? And that me want to know. The woman know them? You too blood clot enough. You say you talk about situation. Or you reach for me. You know blood clot know nothing about me. If I want to chat too much, if I want nine, make me stay. Because you chat more than me and you nine more than me too. You don't like me and me not like you.
Is a hypocrite.
Me never disrespect you yet.
Is a hypocrite.
I for show you some of the blood clot rate you in the
me see all Chad. Me see all Chad pan live with him and Chad come and talk about me. Chad mention my name and him and talk about Shay vex with me because me pick Jaden side. I don't give a fuck. Me not vex with nobody more than me avoid on because one is a hypocrite. It's the long time the people them did that want my boy and tell my boy I'm never blood clot here till me see it. Because guess what? Me tell you how me stay. No matter how you come and want me about somebody, I have to see them for myself. That is why me not gonna stop get fucking alive. I mean not mind it either. It's just that is just me. Me no them nobody else stay like me, but I saw me stay. You could have tell me the worst set of things about somebody. Me say me like them. Me stick with them to the end. Until them fuck me over, that's where I cut you the fuck off.
What you come and talk about?
So when you come talk about how come this and that, don't come talk about me and you no front and come classify me. You diss me, you style me. When the argument just come out with me and Jaden, you talk about me and wall receipt pan him. Me is a hypocrite, me is this. Me a liar, me and this. So why every time you take a story from a liar girl?
That me want to know.
I don't get it, Shebada. Why every story where you talk by your life, me give a source. Every time him come, Martin say, and me tell Martin for tell you, what the fuck? What the fuck?
So them time there.
Enough time you read story by your phone and Martin say, and I me tell Martin, but tell me up text, so me tell Martin say, don't call me name. But all of a sudden me is a liar. But when you read the story them, when I give the source them, and you read them, and people don't know see me most of them come from. Wow.
You know
You
lie
surprise me. Me never lie them time then.
When them come over here.
Queenie never annoying them time then.
You can't call Shebada name over here, so. And me cuss them. Me never annoying and chat too much them time.
You saw life fuck up. When me give all of the story them and the things them and the tea them, me never did annoying. Me never did chat too much. Queenie never chat too much. Queenie never chat love. Me was not a liar. The people them none of that.
People never hate me.
But as soon as now everything got on shit hit the fan, means everything in the book Shebada. But guess what, the people them didn't want me, because the people them tell me say Shay, him do look how him do everybody where they run him. Every woman, every man where they run him, I saw him do all of them. Me never listen.
Where the fuck the
next little batty boy when him Kim King, all him tell me I never listen either. When him dep on live,
I big this the boy
you remember how Kim shed big tears on live? I say him love me and Shebada not love me. You remember? Bro, me I tell you say God, me have to just pray for all of them something there.
Because when you come and talk, when me did a talk out of me suck pussy mouth Shebada, when me did a talk out of me annoying mouth, when Kim King come and the rest of people them come, and me run them from over here and me talk out of my mouth, me you never know so me annoying them the time there.
Me say.
You never know. So me chat too much.
You remember how Kim King shed tears